So, it's a nice day today. So, why not be out about? It's a lake near my house, and I was like, you know what? Let's just get our steps in today because, ladies, in 2026, it's about our get right. It's about our bodies. It's about our well-being and happiness. We taking our power. We ain't giving it to no scrubs. The fuck? And we're walking on a trail. We are getting our steps in. Beware. Kaden done found us a hidden trail within the trail. Straight to the lake. Let's go. I'm ready. Kaden, don't beat me. Oop, not me about the trip. Oh no. That gotta be in a blooper reel, cause listen, I can't be breaking my leg. I need them things. Oh, this is cute. Got fishers over there. Swag enjoying it. He really was. So, here by the lake, and he wants to work further, like to the rocks, like over there. He already started walking. Guess we're going by the rocks today. Pray for me, y'all. Swag is just loving this outside air. What is it? Oh, the ducks over there? Where? Oh, they're about to come. Yeah, I see them. They're about to come to the shore because they see humans. See, we should have brought some bread. That's what we should have did, darn it. You want to know what impresses a woman? Bring her peace like this. Like, just bring her inner peace that, we earn. Because if you can't bring us this inner peace, why are you here? I'm just saying. Okay, Kaden's all the way up top now with swag. Ay. Yeah, we're definitely getting our steps in today, people.